How to get rid of rough feet with aspirin. Treating a rough feet is so easy. You just need to combine aspirin and lemon to make your feet smooth. This combination will soften the calluses which usually form on your feet. Calluses often appear on parts of the feet which are always exposed to friction and pressure that help protect your feet. However, natural protections are sometimes very ugly to look at and can even be painful, especially if it causes your heels to crack. You must give yourself time to pamper your feet and get rid of these unsightly calluses. For some people, calluses on hands and feet can be very disappointing, especially on hands or other areas that can be touched frequently. Calluses are not really an embarrassing thing, but with today's standard of beauty, having a beautiful and soft skin is a must, especially for women. Let us then discover how to get rid of rough feet with aspirin. You will need items such as 5 aspirin tablets, half a teaspoon lemon juice, half a teaspoon water, towel or old socks. Get a bowl and crush 5 aspirin tablets and mix them with half teaspoon water with half teaspoon lemon juice. Make a thick paste. Apply the paste on areas of your skin with calluses, especially on your heels. You can also use this for your hands, depending where your calluses are. Then wrap your feet using plastic wrap and tie it around the top. Place a hot towel or old socks so that the skin will fully absorb the mixture.